Ciao. What's up, everybody? Alright, we're in District 7. We're going to do a little walking tour. I just shot the Crescent Mall. Pretty much everything was open but the restaurants. Anyways, before we get into this little walk around video here in District 7, if you like the video, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button. If you dislike the video, you can smash the dislike button. If you don't want to hit any buttons, you don't have to hit any buttons. If you want to comment, you can comment. If you don't have to. And if you want to subscribe, that's the best way you can help me. Alright, so let's take a look around the outlying area of Crescent Mall. See what's going on. I mean, it doesn't seem very lively. Maybe walk this way. I don't know where I'm at. Just randomly walking directions, I guess. I have to get some aircon from somewhere. Jesus. Where's the aircon from? Maybe that bank? EIB? Keep them things like ice boxes. I think we just walk this way, right? Go this way. What do you think, lads and gals? Gixxer 150. Let's just go this way, I guess. Quick walk around. I'm already tired. Shot District 10. I don't know what's coming out first. Mall, District 10, another motor. I think there's 5 or 6 in the queue now. So probably pick up 2 a days again to get through them. Keeps me motivated to go work as well. There's Circle K, having a bun. There was a lot more people at the mall and a lot more things open at the mall. Coffee shop. I have no idea what's down here. Guess we're kind of exploring. I'll take a grab car home. Grab cars resumed. In the parking lot. I think I chose the wrong way. Okay. Looks like there's nothing down here, eh? Patent broke. GPS fail. I don't see shit down here. I don't know too much about the layout of G7. Harley dealer still open. Let's see. Oh, what is this over here? I think we need to go back the other way. I think I took us to a nowhere zone. Oops. Usually just casually picking her out works. Let's go down here. Some kind of real estate office. Maybe we'll box around. And preserved a little bit of treeage here. Kobe Home, the first one-stop interior shopping. Oh, okay. So it's like a IKEA. From what that sign said. Interesting. Yeah, it's pretty chill here. I mean, we're not in like the lively part of D7, but for where we're at, it's super relaxed. This looks all business, not much residential around here. Maybe mixed in, I don't know. Quiet. It's not that hot out today. Yeah, none of the restaurants are even thinking about opening. They shot down the proposal, put some crazy rules to it. Security can't. I don't know who comes up with the rules. But it's like they just make shit up with no science to back it up. Like they rolled back a little bit on going to Hanoi from here, vice versa. But Da Nang is still like 14 days. Like it's 7 days everywhere else. Da Nang's like, oh no, you guys come from Saigon, we're just gonna tack on another 7 days. And yeah, there's a Triumph over here. Didn't know. That's interesting. We can take a look at that. I went to something here. Car show? Car show. Somewhere around here. I get the feeling. Let's try to traverse all these streets to get to the Triumph dealer. Which I didn't know was right here. Should have probably filmed this a long time ago. But yeah, they're like, no, you dirty Saigonese. We're gonna tack on another 7 days. 14-day quarantine. You know, the virus is geographical. I don't even know the science behind it, but and by the way, welcome to Da Nang. I imagine they'll change all that, just like they have on other stupid rules. Enough people are like, what? Like people had booked a bunch of flights to Hanoi and then they all canceled all the flights because no one wanted to do a quarantine that they had to pay for and test. Alright, let's check out Triumph. Curious. Didn't know it was right here. Triumph's British bikes? I'm not really into Triumph, so my knowledge is lacking on Triumph. Some huge bikes for Saigon. What are you gonna do with them? Let's take a look around. Hopefully they're cool. Bonneville T100. There's a crotch rocket. Upright like mine though. Let's take a look. What do we got? Alright, here we go. With a lot of big adventure bikes. Hello! 419 million. 469 for a 900 cylinder. These are like adventure touring bikes. $49 million. Did I read that right? Can't be. 49 billion. Maybe I just didn't add enough zeros. Oh, 419. That's right. So I can do the calculations on that. 4, 8, 12, 16, 17,000. Little, just to look cool, I don't know. This one's 869, almost a billion. Monstrous engine. What is it, sitting on a 6-cylinder or something? Looks like it. Again, I have zero knowledge on Triumph bikes. Let's try to find the cheapest one. Let's go over here to the cheaper side. The little scramblers and stuff like that. Bum. Yeah. Let's see. 435. 899. These big bikes. Nothing really too cheap. How much is this one? 300. Yeah. So this is the cheapest one so far. What's the cheapest bike in here? This one?
Try it. This one.
This one. How much is that one?
117. Yeah.
This one's 217.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good too. So that's around $8,000. A little over 8,000. 4, 8. Oh no, it's like about 12,000. 11,000. Huh. Well, if you want a Triumph, they've got you a Triumph. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Have a good day.
What's your channel?
Fat and Bro. So fat and then bro.
Fast and Bro?
Yep.
Me too.
Get the old school iPhone. I should show. Yep, there you are.
Yeah.
You'll be up tomorrow. You can see yourself on the YouTubes.
Okay.
Have a good day, man. Thanks, dude. Interesting prices. Triumphs aren't cheap. I mean, I don't understand an expat that buys, you know, a $10,000 bike here. Maybe if you're like rich and you're just like, fuck it. But for me, that's just insane. Its practical use in Saigon is almost zero. Now I could see one of those big, huge adventure touring bikes if like you seriously are gonna go gung-ho across the whole country and then maybe even try to take it to other countries. Possible. The Royal Enfield isn't set up here anymore. I think they were comboed in together. So I think Royal Enfield's already pulled out of Vietnam as they were planning to. That was interesting. Content saved at the last minute. What are these guys lined up for? Something. Or maybe they're just hooning and breaking. Yeah, I thought that Royal Enfield split a showroom with them. I could be wrong. I know they service them. Saigon Speed Center. Coffee shops, other stuff like this. Hello.
Hello.
Let's see what's down here. Try to wrap it up at around 20 minutes. Some big skyscrapes. The restaurant holding out, no for rent sign. Must have had some savings or got a good discount, or must be really popular when it can open. I think that's when you see a restaurant still open, but they must do very well when they are allowed to be open. So. I don't know what that is. It looks like Japanese barbecue. Looks like it's for rent though. I see phone numbers all around it and it's gutted out. That place didn't make it. Swiftly defeated by the lovely virus. Is that Mazda? Yeah, Mazda. Somebody put a bunch of junk parts on. Oh, we've got some chickens. You know you're in Vietnam when you got the random chickens. Oh, 4 of them. Where are they living at? Usually people wrangle these up for themselves. These are actual wild chickens, maybe? Looks like it. I don't see anywhere where somebody's got them. Yeah, this place is closed. Oh, it's Korean. It was Korean barbecue. I should have recognized the hangul. They're pretty dead in this area. I don't know what these buildings are. They look work built. I don't know. My knowledge is limited for this area. I just call it at 15 minutes. I'm not just gonna shoot shit to shoot shit. If it's not good content. Didn't melt. Yeah, I think we got what we needed out of that because, you know, we got to go into the Triumph store. I can put that in the video and accurately convert the prices and put it on the screen. I think I'm pretty close. The 100K is rough, or 100 million is roughly 4,000 US dollars. I do believe. Based off the 100K, how you kind of price everything here. 100K is $4, so it would make sense that it would be 4,000 for 100 million. A little coffee place open over here. I don't know what this area is. If you guys want to drop it in the comments, let me know. But that was a little walking tour of this area. Let me actually walk down here to get to like a main area so I can get a grab car. I think someone asked me for Triumph, so that's good. We got that out of the way. Alright guys, that's the video. Sorry it's not longer. I need to rest my feet. I've just been pushing them, so my feet weren't all damaged up to go for the distance. So thank you for watching. Stay frosty. See you on the next one. Peace out.